Well, if this is not just the week for crazies, we got some more crazy. This is not the first time I've held her picture up here. It's not the second time I've held her picture up here. It's the third time I've held her picture up here. This is Jessie Lopez. The first time we talked about her and we dealt with her was when we arrested her about June of 2018, when she ran a drop it like it's hot weight loss clinic with Dr. Ashraf. We worked through that investigation with our colleague at the State Attorney's Office, Brad Copley. He got a most appropriate plea deal, and we had her on probation where we would keep an eye on her, and we stopped her from operating that clinic, as well as Dr. Ashraf. Not to be deterred, Jessie opened up a gym in Auburndale after we closed her weight loss clinic in Southeast Winter Haven. And guess what she was doing? She set up exam rooms, and she's now doing weight loss again. She's injecting vitamins, and she's back up to her old game. So we do a violation of probation. We charge her with new criminal charges. And Brad Copley, our prosecutor, is once again prosecuting her. And she's been locked up in prison or in the county jail on no bond since February of this year. Well, in July of this year, she gets in a fight with an inmate and tries to gouge her eyes out. And we add on another charge of battery while she's confined for attacking someone in the jail. In her mind, okay, her pea brain, I think the size of a BB, but I'm not sure, that may be giving her too much credit. She decided that her ex-husband, and I use his name because he waived Marcy's law, Daniel Lopez, she decided Daniel Lopez was a witness against her in this case, and we understand that she's going through a divorce and child custody, and she's thinking, well, if my husband were out of the way, that would take care of my witness and my child custody issues. So she starts talking around in the community about how she wants him murdered. And of course, being the wonderful people we are here at the Sheriff's Office, we thought we'd accommodate her in her scheme so that we could keep Daniel alive. Our undercover people started a communication with her on jail phone calls where she said, I've got a tree in the yard that needs to be cut down. It needs to be gone. So we wanted to make sure we had the right tree. So we went to the house, and there's no trees in the yard. And we said, can you send us a picture of the tree? We got a picture of her ex-husband, or her husband, Daniel Lopez. So after a period of communication, it was very nice of her to send us a note. And here's the note she sent us. And in it, she tells us, can it be like an accident, like a robbery gone wrong, or something that cannot come back to me, like it was a plan? Then she tells our undercover, you're my angel. And she ends it with XOXO. And she starts trying to hit on our undercover person. We asked for $2,000, $500 up front. So we have the telephone communications. We have her letter that she wants her husband killed. And guess what? Last night we went down and revealed our undercover person that we're really not the murder for hire person. you know, and Jesse, drop it like it's hot. Weight clinic, Jesse, the tree trimmer, is now Jesse, another felony charge against her. She admitted. She admitted sending the letter. She admitted making the phone calls. And she was giggling and laughing and really enjoyed the attention. Ladies and gentlemen, in Polk County vernacular, this lady's a nut, but she's dangerous. She thought she was going to get her husband killed. She intended to get her husband killed. She made every effort to get her husband killed, but we saved his life. And she's got another felony charge. So here's my message to Jesse Lopez. You're not a doctor. You're not a weight loss expert. You're a CRN, a criminal right now. Not a RN, a CRN. And you're not a tree trimmer. But you're a jailbird. And you're locked up where you should be in the county jail, facing more felony charges. Our goal is to send her to prison for a long time. She has the ability to be dangerous if she can hook up with someone on the outside that's equally as dangerous. And once again, the criminal justice system doesn't faze her. She's in trouble, she gets probation, she gets a violation, she commits crime while she's in the jail, and now while she's in the jail, locked up, she's trying to get her husband killed. To me, that validates my medical Polk County determination she's a nut.